Best drones. Are you looking for the best drones? In this video we will look at some of the best drones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro is a flagship drone equipped with cutting-edge features designed for both professional and advanced users. This drone boasts a triple camera system, including a 4 of 3 CMOS Hasselblad camera, delivering stunning image quality and detail. The primary camera captures 20MP stills and 5.1K video at 50 frames per second, providing excellent clarity and color accuracy, ideal for high-quality photography and videography. The secondary camera includes a telephoto lens capable of 3x optical zoom, while the third offers a wide-angle view, enhancing versatility for different shooting perspectives. With a 43-minute flight time, the Mavic 3 Pro excels in endurance, allowing users to capture long, uninterrupted shots. The drone's 15 km HD video transmission ensures a stable and clear live feed, even at long distances, with minimal latency, making it perfect for both professional filmmakers and recreational enthusiasts who want to explore expansive landscapes. The drone is equipped with the DJI RC controller, offering a more intuitive flying experience. The built-in 5.5-inch HD screen provides clear visuals, even under bright sunlight, and features customizable controls for precision flying. Safety and compliance are prioritized with FAA remote ID support, ensuring that the Mavic 3 Pro meets regulatory standards for safe flight operations. Its intelligent flight modes, such as Active Track 5.0 and Master Shots, enable automatic flight path planning for professional-grade content creation with minimal effort. Overall, the DJI Mavic 3 Pro is an excellent choice for anyone seeking top-tier drone technology, combining powerful performance, camera capabilities, and safety features for both hobbyists and professionals. Number 2. The DJI Air 2S is a compact yet powerful drone designed for both enthusiasts and professionals, offering advanced features in a portable package. At the heart of the Air 2S is a 3-axis gimbal camera with a 1-inch CMOS sensor, enabling the capture of stunning 5.4K video at up to 30 frames per second, along with 20MP still images. The larger sensor allows for better low-light performance and enhanced image quality, making it suitable for both daytime and evening flights. This drone excels in safety and reliability with 4 directions of obstacle sensing, including forward, backward, upward, and downward sensors. These sensors help the drone avoid potential collisions, making it easier and safer to fly, even in complex environments. The 31-minute flight time ensures ample time for capturing footage on a single charge, and the 12 km video transmission provides a reliable, long-distance connection, offering clear, low-latency video feeds during flight. The DJI Air 2S supports FAA remote ID, ensuring compliance with the latest regulations and making it suitable for both recreational and commercial use. The drone is equipped with advanced features such as Focus Track, Smart Photo, and Master Shots, allowing users to easily execute professional-grade aerial shots and dynamic tracking sequences without the need for manual controls. Weighing just 595 grams, the DJI Air 2S is incredibly portable, making it easy to take on the go. Its intuitive controls and high-quality camera make it an excellent choice for drone enthusiasts, content creators, and those looking for a reliable drone that delivers professional-grade results in a small and user-friendly package. Number 3. The DJI Mini 3 Pro is a lightweight and feature-packed drone designed for users seeking professional-quality performance in a compact package. Weighing less than 249 grams, it falls under the FAA's weight limit for registration, making it ideal for recreational and commercial drone enthusiasts. Despite its small size, the Mini 3 Pro is equipped with impressive camera capabilities, including a 48MP photo sensor and the ability to record 4K video at 60 frames per second, delivering stunning visuals with sharp detail and vibrant colors. Its f/1.7 aperture allows for excellent performance in low-light conditions, making it versatile for both day and night shoots. The drone offers 34 minutes of flight time on a single charge, providing ample opportunity for capturing high-quality content during a flight. It also features tridirectional obstacle sensing, forward, backward, and downward, which enhances safety by helping avoid potential collisions during flight. This is especially helpful for beginners or those flying in tight spaces. Safety is further enhanced with return-to-home functionality, which ensures that the drone automatically returns to its takeoff point if it loses connection or the battery gets low. Additionally, the FAA Remote ID compliance ensures the Mini 3 Pro meets the latest regulatory requirements for safe operation in the US. The DJI Mini 3 Pro also boasts advanced flight features like Focus Track, Master Shots, and Smart Photo, which simplify professional-grade aerial photography and videography. These intelligent modes allow users to create dynamic, cinematic footage with minimal effort. Overall, the DJI Mini 3 Pro combines portability, exceptional camera quality, and advanced flight features, making it an excellent choice for both casual and professional drone users. Number 4. The DJI Avata ProView Combo is an immersive first-person view (FPV) drone designed for both hobbyists and professionals seeking an exciting and dynamic flying experience. This combo includes the DJI Avata drone paired with the DJI goggles too, offering a fully immersive FPV flight with real-time video transmission. The 155° super wide field of view (FOV) on the goggles provides a cinematic, panoramic perspective, making users feel as if they are inside the cockpit, enhancing the thrill of flying. Equipped with a 4K stabilized camera, the DJI Avata captures crisp and smooth video footage, even during high-speed maneuvers. The rock-steady stabilization technology ensures that your videos remain steady and professional-grade, despite the dynamic movements of the drone. Whether you're shooting fast-paced action or capturing sweeping landscapes, the Avata delivers impressive clarity and detail. The HD low-latency video transmission ensures a lag-free, responsive flying experience, offering a seamless live feed directly to the DJI goggles too. This feature is crucial for FPV pilots who rely on real-time visuals to navigate through complex environments. Additionally, the built-in propeller guard provides enhanced safety during flights, minimizing the risk of damage in case of collisions, and making it more suitable for both beginners and experienced pilots. With a compact, lightweight design, the DJI Avata is easy to maneuver in tight spaces and suitable for indoor and outdoor flying. It's equipped with advanced flight modes, including motion controller for intuitive flying, as well as automated features like return to home for added safety. Overall, the DJI Avata ProView Combo offers a thrilling and high-quality FPV experience with its immersive video feed, stable 4K camera, and safety features, making it a top choice for FPV drone enthusiasts. Number 5. The DJI Air 3, with DJI RCN2 controller, is a versatile and high-performance drone designed for enthusiasts and professional content creators. It features dual primary cameras, a medium telephoto lens and a wide-angle lens, allowing users to capture a wide variety of shots with greater flexibility. The telephoto lens offers 3x optical zoom, enabling close-up shots without compromising image quality, while the wide-angle lens provides expansive views perfect for sweeping landscapes and dynamic videos. This drone is capable of capturing stunning 48MP photos and shooting 4K video at 60 frames per second with HDR support, ensuring vibrant, high-quality visuals even in challenging lighting conditions. Whether shooting stills or video, the Air 3 delivers professional-grade content with sharp detail, vivid colors, and smooth footage. The 46-minute maximum flight time provides ample opportunity to capture your shots on a single charge, offering more freedom to explore the skies and create without frequent interruptions. The drone also features omnidirectional obstacle sensing, which helps it detect and avoid obstacles from all directions, enhancing flight safety and reducing the risk of collisions. With FAA Remote ID compliance, the DJI Air 3 meets the latest regulatory standards, making it suitable for both recreational and commercial use. The drone also incorporates intelligent flight features such as Focus Track, Master Shots, and Smart Photo, which simplify complex shots and allow users to capture professional quality footage with minimal effort. Overall, the DJI Air 3 is a powerful and versatile drone that combines excellent camera capabilities, long flight time, advanced safety features, and ease of use, making it an excellent choice for those looking for a reliable, high-quality drone experience.